Hello everybody, I am Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next SIMnet assignment. Today assignment name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 2 independent project 224 and course name is IT spreadsheet application S1 for 2025. So independent project 224. These are the SLOs that we will cover in today's assignment. Central Syria Insurance set as bonus percentage based on commissions earned by each agent and calculates total by branch office. This workbook identifies business policies and displays agents' name with locations. So SLOs that we'll cover in today's assignment is 2.1 to 2.8. File needed, this one that we have already downloaded and also opened that one. Okay, then after completed our project, then file name must be this one. Skill covered in today project. Skills covered in today project: name cell range, build X lookup function, create, copy and edit formulas, set mathematical order of operations, use absolute cell references in formulas, use sum if function, calculate average, the mode and median, build an if function, display label using concept. So all these SLOs will be covered in today. All these skill will be covered in today project. Okay. So now we are moving toward instruction file. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today assignments? So in today assignment we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. We have 17 questions in graded part, then 18, 19 and 20 are non-graded one. So we have 18 questions in graded part. Let me start today's assignment. Steps to complete this project. Mark the steps as checked when you complete them. Okay. So in first part we have to open this file. We call that start file. Then if file opens in protected view, click enable editing button to modify it. The file will rename automatically to include your name. Yes, you may see file name rename automatically to our name. So question number 1 is done. In question number 1, we have to open Central Series 02 XLS file that we call start file. Okay, after that then it is open in protected view, so we have to click on enable editing button. Okay, after that the file will rename automatically to include our name. Change the project file name if created to do so by your instructor. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving towards question number 2. Select the table sheet. Select cell A1 to B6. Then in next we have to create a range name using create from selection button. Okay, we have to move toward data. There is in formulas there is create from selection, top row, simply press OK. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2 we have to select the table sheet first, then we select the cell A1 to B6, then we just click on create range name using create from selection button, that is in formula tab, define name group. So question number 2 is done. After solving question number 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. Create X lookup function to display the bonus rate. If lookup is not available, build the following formula VLOOKUP. Okay, if X lookup is not there, then we have to use this VLOOKUP formula, else we have to use X lookup formula. Okay, So click commission sheet tab and select F5. First we move toward commission sheet, then we have to select F5. Then in next part we have to start X lookup function and use E5 as lookup value. So there we put equal sign, then write X lookup, then open this formula. So in lookup value, what we have to in? We have to in E5. Okay. Then in part C, for lookup array argument, use commission level range. Commission level range. We just copy this one from here, then paste that name here. Okay. Then return array. For return array, we have to use this one, bonus rate. Okay. So we just copy this bonus rate from here, then here. Okay. Then in part E, we have to for match mode argument type -1 which find next mirror match. In mode we have to write there -1, and then format the result. Okay, now we just simply press OK and we get the result. Okay, then in part, so question number 3 is done, sorry. So in question number 3, what we have to do, we have to use XLOOKUP function in cell F5 in commission sheet, and there we use XLOOKUP function and we pass all these values step by step to XLOOKUP function and get result. This one. Okay. So after solving question 3, you may compare this result. Okay, this result with this one. So we are exactly going same way. Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 4. In question number 4, what we have to do, we have to format the result as percent style 2 decimal place. We have to change this result to percent style, this one, with 2 decimal place. Increase decimal place 1 and 2 time. Okay. Then copy formula in cell F5 to F6 to F14. We have to copy this formula toward there. Okay. So question number 4 and 5 is done. In question number 4, we have to format the result as percent style with 2 decimal place. Then in question number 5, we have to copy formula in cell F5 to cell F6 to F14, and we have done that one. Okay. So question number 4 and 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. So before going to solve question number 6, remember that we are solving Excel 2021 in practice chapter 2 independent project 2 to 4. Okay, and in today project we have how many questions we have? We have 17 questions. So now we are moving toward question number 6. Set order of operation to calculate commission and bonus. So first we have to select G5 there. Then the total paid is dollar amount of commission plus commission times bonus. So we just start formula and select E5 there. Okay, equal sign, then select E5. Then add E5 to product commission amount. Okay. Then we have to this one. Then E5 plus commission amount, E5, there is plus sign, there must be plus sign, and then this must be multiplied by F5, then close parenthesis, then simply press enter. Okay. Then format the result to show 0 decimal place. Okay, now we have to show 0 decimal. So this one. Then copy formula to G14. Now we have to drag this formula toward G14. Yes. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, there are 5 parts and we have done each and every part step by step. In first part, we just move toward cell G5 and there we have to in formula, so we just put equal sign, then write E5. Then we just plus, then in bracket we just again in E5 multiply by F5 and simply press enter and we get the result. After that, then we format the result to show 0 decimal place, and then in part E we have to copy formula in G5 to cell G6 to G14, and we have done and we get this result. Okay, so question number 6 is done. After solving question number 6, now we are moving toward question number 7. In question number 7, what we have to do, create formula a sum if function to calculate total earning by branch office. So select E18. First we have to move toward E18 there, and there we use sum if function. So there equal sign, then sum if function. Then for range we have to in this one, so we just copy this one. First we have to open this formula to get idea what we have to in. So in range we have to in this one. Then set criteria argument as relative reference to cell C18. So we have to select C18 as a criteria. Then for sum range, determine the sum range argument and make reference absolute. Okay, so we have to select the sum range, that is this one. So we have to select this one, then we have to make that absolute. Okay, then simply press OK, so that will be done. Yes, then format cell E18 to E21. Okay, now we have to copy formula E18 to E20 without formatting. So we just drag this one there without formatting. Then E18 to E21 as currency with 0 decimal. Okay, we have to format this one with currency with 0 decimal. Then simply press OK. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to create and copy sum if function to calculate total earning by branch office. So in first part, we have to select cell E18 and there we in formula that called sum if function, and we in this range. Okay, there. Then for criteria argument we have to in C18. Then for sum range we have to in sum range there, then we get result. After that, then we just copy formula E18 to E20 without formatting. Then in part F we have to format the cell E18 to E20 E21 as currency with 0 decimal, and we get this result. Okay, so question number 7 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 8. Total the earning in cell E21 here. So we have to in sum function and then we in all these parameters there, then simply press OK. So we get result of sum. So question number 8 is done. Same way we will solve question number 9. In question number 9 we have to calculate average, mode, median value in E22, E23, E24. After that, in question number 10 we have to correct the border and number format inconsistent as needed. Okay, then in question number 11 we have to select the by policy sheet and click F7, and there we have to in all these things. Then in question number 12 we have to display the name, location using concept function. In question number 13 we just select cell D13 and paste the range name. In question number 14 we will just press Control Home. So in this way we will solve this assignment step by step. Remember that we are solving SIMnet assignment, that name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 2 independent project 2 to 4. Course name is IT. Course name is IT1 IT 115 spreadsheet application S1 fall 2025. In start we just read instruction about the file, that what we have in today file, how we have to solve that one. Then we just move towards skills cover in today project, and we discuss all the skills that will cover in today project. Then we move toward instruction file, and we have done first question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 8 question we have done out of 17 question, mean almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% results. That's my guarantee. That's my promise, that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100%. But remember that you may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, SIMbook project, SQL project, Power BI project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get 100% results. That's my guarantee. That's my promise, that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100%. Because I'm in this field from last 10 years, so you can trust on me and you will get A grade 100% result. And it's the biggest opportunity for every client, that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer, because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity, that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe and our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So in today's video we discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 2 independent project 2 to 4. We have done almost 55 to 60% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID. All is given in video description, as well as in bottom of this video. You may see my WhatsApp number, my email ID. Contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. Meet soon with our next assignment. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future.